Exteriors by Mosby helps answer which door is right for your home. Let's look at wood versus fiberglass versus steel. Wood doors have an authentic look because of their natural material. Wood doors look great with a stained finish. They also come with decorative glass options, but wood is one of the most expensive materials. Wood is a great choice for anyone wanting a door with a natural look that can be modified to meet whatever your needs are. Unlike wood, fiberglass won't ever rot, and it is a strong material. Fiberglass can be made with a stained or painted finish. They also come with decorative glass options. These doors are more affordable than a wood door. Choose fiberglass if you want a durable, energy-efficient door that will last decades. Steel doors are another strong and durable option. Steel can have a painted finish. Steel doors are also fire resistant. Like the other doors, steel doors can be made with decorative glass. Steel doors are the most affordable between the three options. Steel is a good option if you want an affordable, strong, and secure door.